Love where I've been, even more where I'm going. And the truck that I'm in, made for living in the moment. I remember being 10 and dreaming about growing up and doing everything I'm doing here and now. Might look a little different, the drive is what stays consistent. I'm down to get dirty, off the road journey. Late night drives and go to work early. Tailgate hangs when you need to pick me up. That's my kind of truck, and I'm all in, loaded up, all in, made for those who go where they wanna. Future's bright if the bow ties in the front. That's my kind of truck.
I got my tools, they like my toys. Riding around in a big wheel ain't just a thrill for the boys. Me and Daddy took the truck down to the lake, fishing, eating, chilling, talking about the things we seen that day. All that wisdom made me better, the engine for any weather. Down to get dirty, off the road